So next question number 11. In question number 11 we have two cards are drawn successively with replacement from a well shuffled pack of 52 cards. So हम लोगों ने कितने कार्ड निकाले हैं? 2 कार्ड, right? Find the probability distribution of number of A's. So probability distribution of number of A's निकालने हैं. A's हमारे कितने होते हैं? 4 होते हैं. So P will be 4 by 52. This become 1 by 13 and Q will be 12 by 13. Which formula? P plus Q equal to 1 है. तो P is 1 by 13, तो Q will be 12 by 13. So you have to find the mean, variance and standard deviation. So immediately calculate mean. So mean will be NP. So 2 into 1 by 13. So this become 2 by 13. And variance will be NPQ. So this become 2 by 13 into 12 by 13. Q is what? 12 by 13. So this become 24 by 169. And standard deviation is root under sigma square, which is sigma, which is root under 24 by 169. So 24 को हम लोग लिख सकते हैं 2 into 2 4 into 6 divided by root 139 is what? 13. So this can be written as 2 root 6 by 13. This is what mean, variance and standard deviation in question number 11. And also we have to find the probability distribution table. So let's calculate probability distribution table in question number 11. So for probability distribution we have to use the value of N, P and Q, right? So हम लोगों ने क्या किया? N is equal to 2. So the variable will be what? X is equal to 0, X is equal to 1 and X is equal to 2, right? या तो 0 एस आएंगे, नहीं तो 1 एस, नहीं तो दोनों का दोनों एस आएगा, राइट? सो दिस हम लोग को क्या करना है? कैलकुलेट करना है. फाइन. सो अगेन वी हैव टू यूज द फॉर्मूला. 1 मिनट. So again we have to use formula. P of x is equal to R, right? So P of x is equal to 1 and P of x is equal to 2 you need to find, right? So find करिए. NCR, N is what? 2C0, 1 by 13 to the power 0 and 12 by 13 to the power 2. Similarly 2C1, 1 by 13, 1 and 12 by 13, 1, and this become 2C2, 1 by 13 and 12 by 13, right? So 2C0 will be what? 1 into 1 by 13 to the power 0 is 1 and 12 by 13 to the power 2 is what? 144 by 169. So 144 by 169 final is 144 by 169, right? This table we have to draw. Again see here 2C2 is 1 and 1 by 13 square is what? 1 by 169 and 12 by 13 to the power 0 is what? 1. Any number to the power 0 is 1. So this become 1 by 169, right? And see here 2C1. So 2C1 will be what? This become factorial 2 by 1 and 2 minus 1 is 1, which is what? 2. So this is 2 and 1 by 13, 12 by 13. So this become 12 by 169, which become 24 by 169, right? You can cross check. एडिशन कर लो. एडिशन करने के बाद 1 आना चाहिए. तो सी 4 plus 4 8 plus 1 9, right? 4 2 6. This becomes 6 and this become 1. So 169 by 169, which is what? 1. So our answer distribution is what? Correct. This is question number 11. Now coming to question number 12. In question number 12, we are solving each and every question. So in question number 12, think a die is thrown 3 times. So getting an even number is considered as success. So n is what? 3. Fine. Getting an even number, the probability of getting even number is half and q will be again half, right? Find the binomial distribution, also find the variance. You need to find the binomial distribution and variance, right? So variance is what? NPQ. So this become 3 into half into half. So this become 3 by 4, right? So this one is binomial. This one is the variance in question number 12. Also you have to find the binomial distribution, right? Not probability distribution. So binomial distribution is what? P plus, binomial distribution is what? P plus Q to the power n. So P is here 1 by 2, Q is what? Again 1 by 2, and this one is what? 3. So this one is the binomial distribution, right? Not probability distribution. So this one is the binomial distribution. The format is P plus Q raised to n. This is question number 12, right? Again I will repeat this. In question number 12 you have to find binomial distribution, not probability distribution, right? Now next question is question number 13. In question number 13, an urn contain 3 white and 6 red ball. 3 white and 6 red ball. 4 ball is drawn at random. Means हमने क्या किया? 4 बॉल को निकाला 1 by 1 with replacement. Find the probability distribution of the number of red ball. रेड बॉल निकलने का प्रोबेबिलिटी फाइंड करना है, राइट? तो प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ गेटिंग रेड बॉल इज 6, राइट? एंड टोटल बॉल इज व्हाट? 3 plus 6 which become 9. So 3 into 2, 3 into 3. So P is 2 by 3 and Q will be 1 by 3. This data we have to use. You have to find probability distribution, not binomial distribution, and you have to find the mean and variance. So immediately first find mean and variance. So mean is equal to NP. So n is 4, p is 2 by 3, so this become 8 by 3, right? And in question number 13 also find variance. So variance is NPQ, so this become 8 by 3 into 1 by 3, so this become 8 by 9, right? This one is mean and variance, but we need to find the probability distribution table, right? Probability distribution. और यहाँ पे हम लोगों ने कितने बॉल निकाले हैं? 4 बॉल, राइट? तो थोड़ा सा कैलकुलेशन थोड़ा लेंदी होंगे, राइट? रेड बॉल निकलने का चांस 0 भी है, 1 भी है, 2 भी है, 3 भी है एंड 4 भी है, राइट? सो तो डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन टेबल जो होंगे वो किस तरीके से होंगे आप देखो. डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन टेबल x is equal to 0, x is equal to 1, x is equal to 2, x is equal to 3 and x is equal to 4, right? थोड़ा सा कैलकुलेशन लेंदी है. फाइंड, यू नीड टू फाइंड p of x is equal to 0, p of x is equal to 1, p of x is equal to 2, p of x is equal to 3, p of x is equal to 4, राइट? ये क्या करना है हम लोगों को? कैलकुलेट करना है इन क्वेश्चन नंबर 13, राइट? सो फाइंड, कैलकुलेट करेंगे, है ना? वी हैव फॉर्मूला व्हाट? p of x is equal to r का NCR p to the power r q to the power n minus r, right? So immediately यहाँ पे कितने होंगे? 4c0, p is what? 2 by 3 to the power 0, q 1 by 3 to the power 2, right? 2 not 4, n is what? 4. Formula है n minus r. 4 minus 0 will be 4. So this will be 4c1 2 by 3 to the power 1, 1 by 3 to the power 3, right? This will become 4c2 2 by 3 ka power 2, 1 by 3 ka power 2. Similarly 4c3 2 by 3 ka power 3, 1 by 3 ka power 1, and this becomes 4c4 2 by 3 ka power will become 4, 1 by 3 ka power will become 0, right? This table we have to find out, right? Now after calculation, right, I am rubbing this, मैं ये रब कर रहा हूँ ताकि ये कैलकुलेशन आपके सामने कर सकूँ, right? 4c0 will be 1 and 2 by 3 to the power 0 is what? 1 and 1 by 3 cube. So this will become 1, 3 into 3, 9 into 3, 27 into 3, 81, right? So this become 1 by 81, right? Now 4c1 will be, आपके कैलकुलेशन के लिए मैं कर देता हूं, right? So this become 4, right? 4, तो 4 into 2 by 3 into 1 by 3 cube, right? 1 by 3 cube will be 1 by 27. So this will be 4 into 2, 8 into 1, 8 by 81, right? Now 4c2 immediate calculate, 4c2 factorial 4 by 2, 2, 4 into 3 into 2 by 2, 2, ये कैंसिल हो गया, ऊपर हो गए 12, 2 factorial is 2, this become 6, right? तो 6 into 2 by 3 whole square, this become 4 by 9 into 1 by 3 whole square will become 1 by 9. So basically 6 into 4 24, this become 24 by again 9 into 9 is what? 81, right? Now 4c3, so 4c3 will be factorial 4 by 3 into 4 minus 3, that is 1, so this become 4 factorial by 3 factorial and into 1 factorial, so 4 into 3 factorial by 3 factorial you can write as 4, राइट 4. बहुत सारे बच्चे को फैक्टोरियल फाइंड करने नहीं आ रहा है, राइट? तो इसीलिए मैं यूज कर रहा हूं बार बार ये. सी NCR विल बी n फैक्टोरियल बाय r फैक्टोरियल एंड n माइनस r फैक्टोरियल. ये फॉर्मूला मैं बार बार क्या कर रहा हूं, यूज कर रहा हूं, राइट? So 2 by 3 whole cube will become 2 into 2 8, 8 into 2 is 16 by 80, 3 into 3 9 into 3 27 into 1 by 3, right? So again this will become 16 into 4 64 by 81, right? And finally 4c4 is what? 1 and 2 to the power 4, 16 by 81, so this become 16 by 81. This one is the probability distribution table. Find in case of question number, I guess this is question number 13. Yes. So 1 by 81, 8 by 81, 24, 32, 32 and 16. Right. So 1 minute to 4c3. What was 4c3? 4c3 was 4 factorial, 3 factorial, 1 factorial. This is 4. Right, and 2 into 2 into 2 is 8, right? This is 8, so this will become 32. Here calculation mistake was there, 32, right? You can add this 4 in order to get 81. Fine. So 6 plus 2 8, 8 plus 4 12, 12 plus 8 20, 20 plus 1 21, carry 2, right? So 2 plus 2 4 plus 3 7 plus 1 8, 81 by 81, this is 1. Now the calculation is corrected, right? The error is rectified. This was question number 13. So we have two more question number 14 and question number 15. चलो हम लोग क्वेश्चन नंबर 14 और 15 भी कैलकुलेट करते हैं. जो बच्चे को समझने में दिक्कत आ रहे हैं वो एक्सरसाइज 9.3 का जो वीडियो है वो आप समझ लो. एक्सरसाइज 9.3 एकदम इजी है, इमीडिएट एक ही फॉर्मूला पे बेस्ड है. 9.3 करने के बाद 9.4 आप लोग क्या करो कर. सो इन क्वेश्चन नंबर 9, इफ x फॉलो अ बाइनोमियल डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन विथ मीन 3 एंड वेरिएंस इज व्हाट? सिग्मा स्क्वायर एज 3 by 2. फाइंड p of x less than equal to 5, right? This is question number 14. So we have two more question. So यहाँ से यूज करिए. np is equal to 3, right? And this is what? npq is equal to 3 by 2. Fine. So np is what? 3. So np 3, q is equal to 3 by 2. तो q is equal to half. q का वैल्यू कितने हैं? हाफ. तो p will be again half, right? Now from here np is 3. np equal to 3. तो बताओ n is what? p is what? Half equal to 3. So n will be 6. So total हमारे पास n number of trial is what? 6, right? So you need to find the value of what? See here, p of x less than equal to 5. So हमारे पास total 6 ट्रायल है. फाइन. तो हम लोग अगर यहाँ पे करें जो p of x लेस देन इक्वल टू 5 को 1 माइनस p ऑफ 6, राइट। आपको क्या करना है, 5 से छोटा लेना है, 5 के बराबर भी आ सकता है, तो टोटल प्रोबेबिलिटी इज 1, उसमें से p ऑफ 6 क्या करना, माइनस करना, तो यूज करो 1, p ऑफ 6 will be NCR, right? So 6C6, p is what, 1 by 2 to the power 6, and q is what, q is half na, again q of half, this will be power 0. So 1 minus C6 is 1 and 1 by 2 to the power 6. So 1 by 64. So 1 minus 1 by 64 which will become 63 by 64. ये अच्छा क्वेश्चन था, क्वेश्चन नंबर 14। ये वाला लॉजिक हम लोगों ने क्या किया, यूज किया, पहले भी ये एक्सप्लेन कर चुका हूँ क्लास में भी एंड वीडियो लेक्चर में भी, राइट। नाउ इन क्वेश्चन नंबर वन मोर लास्ट क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 15। क्वेश्चन नंबर 15 डिस्कस कर लेते हैं। आप होपफुली ईच एंड एवरी क्वेश्चन सॉल्व किए, कुछ डाउट हो तो आप कमेंट करके बता दो, राइट। In question number 15, if the sum of mean and variance for 54 tribe, so n is equal to 54, sum of a mean and variance, right? This is 30. So you need to find the distribution, right? So this is what NP, and this is what NPQ is equal to 30. So if I am taking common NP, so this become 1 plus q equal to 30. n is what, 54, so 54p 1 plus q equal to 30. अगर मैं 3 से कट करूं, so 3 into 6 से कैंसिल कर देता हूं, तो 6 into 9 54, 6 into 5, so 9p 1 plus q is equal to 5. Fine. So you can write, see, p plus q as 1, so q will be 1 minus p. So 9p into 1 plus 1 minus p equal to 5. So 9p 2 minus p equal to 5, and this will become 18p minus 9p square equal to 5. This is what, a quadratic equation. एक क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन हो गए, माइनस 9p स्क्वायर प्लस 18p माइनस 5 इक्वल टू 0। अगर मैं लिखता हूं 9p स्क्वायर माइनस 18p प्लस 5 इक्वल टू 0, दिस वन इज अ क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन। हम लोग को क्या करना पड़ेगा, सॉल्व करना पड़ेगा एंड चेक करना पड़ेगा द वैल्यू ऑफ p, राइट। सो 9 into 5 is what, 45, राइट। एंड 45 को दो नंबर में ब्रेक करें, तो अगर 15 एंड 3 लेते हैं तो 9p स्क्वायर माइनस 15p माइनस 3p प्लस 5, राइट। अगर यहाँ से हम लोग क्या कॉमन ले लें, 3p कॉमन लेते हैं, राइट। सो दिस बिकम 3p माइनस 5, एंड माइनस अगर कॉमन ले तो 3p माइनस 5। ध्यान देना, 3p माइनस 1, 3p माइनस 5, यहाँ से 1, राइट। सो 3p माइनस 1 इक्वल टू 0 and 3p minus 5 equal to 0, तो p is equal to 1 by 3 यहाँ से होंगे, and p is equal to 5 by 3. So we have two value of p is 1 by 3 and p is 5 by 3. आप गौर से देखो, p 5 by 3 is greater than 1, तो ये तो पॉसिबल होंगे नहीं, so only p equal to 1 by 3 क्या करना है, हम लोग को कंसिडर करना है, right? And so p is equal to 1 by 3. So p plus q is 1. So from this formula q will be 2 by 3, and you need to find the distribution. So the distribution means आपको क्या करना है, binomial distribution find करना है. So binomial distribution will be what, 2 by 3 plus 1 by 3 and number of trial. So number of trial was what, 54 trial was there. So this is 54 trial. राइट। सो दिस वाज क्वेश्चन नंबर 15। हम लोगों ने एक्सरसाइज 9.4 पूरा कंप्लीट किया, A to Z क्वेश्चन। थैंक यू फॉर वाचिंग। और अगर आपको लगे ये कंटेंट आपके लिए अच्छा है तो आप, बहुत सारे ऐसे भी बच्चे हैं जहां तक ये कंटेंट नहीं पहुंच पाता है फुल फ्लेज, तो उनको भी बताओ। थैंक यू फॉर